Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I get super defined curls out of my TWA wash and go. Okay, so yes, I have big chopped again for the third time. I did not record it this time, but I'm in a really good place with this haircut. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah. So everyone has been asking me, why Roxy, why did you cut your hair again? And to be honest, with my last hairstyle that I have, I was growing my hair out, but I did notice a lot of significant change because I later on decided not to continue with the blonde. So where my natural hair met and the blonde met, that intersection point, my hair was breaking off a lot. And I was just like, why did it was really nice, and if I were to continue with the blonde, I would have been straight, but I decided not to. So the processed hair with the natural hair was just, they were not mixing like water and oil, and I was just like, you know what, I'm over it. I want something different. I'm in a new stage in my life. Why not just go super short? And I did it, and I loved it. And honestly, I would definitely have to say, if you're going to big chop when you're ready. Because my second big chop, I big chopped when I was not ready. And I ended up damaging my hair again because I was not ready. Versus now, I am so in love with my hair. This is the best decision I ever did. And to be honest, when you big chop with like cutting it all off versus transitioning and then cutting it off, I feel like you're kind of nurturing a little plant. And you're trying to make it not die, and you actually start to love it. And that's where I'm at with my hair. And yeah, I want my hair to be long and full flowing, and that's why I'm not gonna cut my hair again. And I mean it. I do mean it. Like, I know I never stick to what I say, but I do mean it. Like, the purpose to cut all of this off was so I could have long hair one day. So that's my goal. And honestly, it's the best thing. I honestly recommend doing a big chop then versus transitioning and then cutting your hair off. Because I feel like at that point, like when you big chop, you're forced to nurture your hair because you don't have any styles to, lean back on. When you're transitioning, you can do a ponytail, you can do this, you can do that. And that actually is damaging your hair if you're constantly putting your hair in a ponytail. And that was something else that I was doing. With my haircut, I would always rock my hair in a ponytail. And that was actually straightening out the curls in the front of my hair. So I was also damaging it. So it's like, once you big chop, you don't have to worry about all this stuff. You just nurture it and you get used to having your hair out. And it's just the best way. And going from someone who's big chopped and was depressed, and then big chopping and being like, woohoo, this is the best thing I've ever done. It's a good advice to listen to. So these are my results after I have raked the product through my hair. It's all coily, and now all I have to do is just wait about an hour, and these are my results. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys again with more videos to come. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like these. Bye guys.